These fake hugging videos are getting over 1 million views on Instagram. They're entirely created by AI, and you can do the same with your own image. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do it in under a minute. If you're new here, just hit the subscribe button for the latest AI tools and updates. Now, let's get started. We can create this hugging video in free AI tools. Let's see which AI gives the best output by comparing all the results at the end. Before we begin, have 2 images ready, then go to Canva, click Create Design, select YouTube Thumbnail, upload the 2 images, make adjustments to combine them, then click Share and Download. Let's try our first AI tool, Luma Labs. Go to Luma AI using the link in my video description. Click Try Now, sign up with your Google account, upload your image, and type the prompt, like make them hug each other. Then, click the send icon. Wait a few seconds, and once you get the output, click to view the result. If you're satisfied, click the download icon to save it to your system. Number 2 on our list is PixVerse. Go to PixVerse AI using the link in my video description. Click Try PixVerse and sign up with your Google account. As usual, repeat the same steps we did with Luma Labs, upload the image, type a prompt like make them hug each other, and click the star icon to generate the output. Once you get the result, click the video to view it. I think the output is a little weird, but it's fine. We'll compare the results at the end. If you're okay with it, click download or adjust the prompt for a new output. Number 3 on our list is VIDU AI. Go to VIDU AI using the link in my video description. Click Try VIDU, sign up with your Google account, click Create Video, and repeat the same process we used with the previous 2 AI tools. Upload an image, type a prompt like make them hug each other, and click Create. Wait a few seconds, and once you get your result, click the video to view it. You can also upscale the video to HD by clicking the upscale option. Once you're satisfied with the output, click Download to save it to your system. Now let's compare the 3 outputs from 3 different AI tools. These are the outputs. After comparing them, I'd go with VIDU and Luma AI. Their outputs are the best among all 3 AI tools. But if you ask me personally, I prefer VIDU AI because their output is good, and they offer an upscale feature for the video. What do you think about these AI tools? Let me know in the comments. For more AI tools and websites, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon for notifications.